Yo, this is really kicking some asses. I don't understand what's so hard about that and getting out of the way. Let the next person go. Anyway, y'all, I'm glad you're having fun with that TikTok. They're so cool to see. I'm glad everybody's having fun. That's so awesome. But nonetheless, this COVID-19 is definitely changing some lives, making some serious differences and putting things into perspective for a lot of people. And I think here it's important that we talk about some things that we can do to remain productive for our professional side and our personal side. Stay tuned. Let's see what we got.
Don't you know, don't you know, beautiful, don't you know, don't you know, beautiful, don't you know.
So first, organize. That is, organize your email by going through and deleting all those old emails, that 5,000 emails, those 5,000 junk mails, unsubscribe from some of those businesses and corporations that you are no longer interested. Organize that linen closet, right? Organize your actual clothing, your wardrobe closet. Take some of that stuff down that you know you don't want to wear anymore, or some things that don't fit anymore, or some things you're not interested in anymore. And put a bag aside for Goodwill. And when things start booming again and things start opening back up again, take that stuff to Goodwill. Or you can send it to me. So those of you that know me or follow me on Facebook or Instagram or whatever, you probably know that my spouse is in Missouri, still a drill sergeant at Fort Leonard Wood, and I am in Georgia, attending Georgia Southern University, studying history, attending college. And it's important that constantly, not even just in this crisis here, it's important that we constantly reconnect. So I say that to say, reconnect with your spouse or your significant other by deliberately looking in their eyes, cutting off all distractions, and talking to them about their love language. One thing that folks don't realize when it comes to spouses and significant others and marriage is that we have to love that person the way they want to be loved, not the way that we want to be loved. And oftentimes we love our spouse or significant other the way that we want to be loved. But that's not feeding that person's, your loved one's love level, I guess. If you're loving them the way that you want to be loved, talk to them about the way that they want to be loved. I know the 5 love languages quiz is, you can literally Google it and it's free. Take it. Take that time. And I promise you, you will reconnect. I promise you, you will reconnect. Listen to each other. Listen to understand instead of listening to respond. Right word? So the last one I want to add for this video is self-reflection. However you see fit. But some things that I have in mind for you to self-reflect: journal, read, create a vision board, or just write. Take a second to self-evaluate some things that you've been through over the last couple of weeks or months or this year. Create your path and pray. Create your path on what direction you want to go. What do you want to do different? How can you do it differently? Who you want to take with you? Is it everybody or no? Think about that kind of stuff. The best thing we can do for ourselves, y'all, is to self-reflect and to self-reevaluate. Because if we don't self-reflect, we don't see what experiences we've had and how we can do better on them, and we continuously make the wrong decisions. We can't do that. Take this time. I think God has given us a gift indirectly. I know it's probably hard to see right now, y'all, trust me, but He's given us time to stop everything, sit back, analyze, and then when He presses play again, we need to be ready. Think about that. So that's it. I want to hear what you have now. Those are my 3. Comment down below. Send me a DM. message me on Instagram or Facebook or whatever. I want to hear what you are doing to move forward in this. I want to hear how you are changing the narrative in this, okay? Because we have to. We can't let this thing take over us. Yeah, it's gonna have us, be straight and narrow for a while, right? But while we're in the straight and narrow, we could totally take control of this thing. We can totally change the narrative on this. So let me know what you got. I'm sorry it's been a while since you heard from me, y'all. Everything's all good. I'm studying and and on Instagram laughing at y'all's TikToks. Oh, on Twitter laughing at y'all's TikToks and the videos y'all are making. It's so fun. Continue to have fun, y'all. But remember, change the narrative. Stay safe. Wash your hands and stay clean. See you guys.